Stop scrolling. Look at your midsection. That soft, stubborn area that refuses to change. No matter how many miles you run. No matter how much you cut calories. Here's the truth most people never hear. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're using the wrong mechanics. Sending the wrong signal. And your body is responding exactly how it's designed to. You don't need a gym. You don't need machines. You don't need supplements or some complicated program. You need a chair and a shift in how your body is forced to adapt. Most people are destroying their lower backs with floor sit-ups that do absolutely nothing for their gut. They're chasing burn, chasing sweat, chasing pain, and getting zero transformation. Today, that ends. Today, we change the signal. 5 movements, 0 impact, full abdominal recruitment, from top to bottom. This isn't a workout. This is a protocol. We're not here to exercise. We're here to force an adaptation your body can't ignore. Move 1, the underleg extraction. Sit on the edge of the chair, chest tall. Lean back until your core lights up, until your brain screams, stop. Lift your feet, every controlled clap under your legs, a direct strike to the lower abdominal wall. Slow it down. No momentum, no swinging. Own the tension, or don't bother doing it. Move 2, the vertical driver. Stand behind the chair. Lock your hands in. Drive your knee into your chest, like you're trying to crush something. This isn't a casual march. This is intent. You're elevating your heart rate to trigger fat burning, while keeping your joints safe. Core tight, chest up. Every drive sends a clear message. Burn stored fat, or get left behind. Move 3, the suspended cycle. Sit. Lean back, lift your legs. Pedal, like you're pushing through thick water. Slow, heavy, controlled. This targets the deep core, the natural corset that pulls your waist inward. This is where shape is built. Move 4, the seated jackknife. Legs open, legs close. Lift, control, lower belly, inner thighs, at the same time. If you aren't shaking by rep 10, you're not leaning back far enough. Find the edge. That's where the change happens. Move 5, the static defier. The final boss, hands pressed into the seat, legs straight. Lift them using nothing but your lower abs. No swinging, no cheating. Feet never touch the floor. Pure control, pure tension. Weak cores are exposed. Strong cores are built. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. Consistency is the only secret that exists. Don't chase sweat. Don't chase soreness. Chase adaptation. Chase control. Chase standards. This isn't just another ab workout. This is a line in the sand. You want visible abs? A tighter waist? A body that actually responds? Stop looking for shortcuts. Start moving with intention. This is the Omega body movement. Stay disciplined. Stay consistent. Your body changes when your standards change.